Hi guys, when I wash my hair, I like to use Sachajuan shampoo and conditioner. I may not be pronouncing it right, and it's the Ocean Mist. I absolutely love it. It's light on the hair and I have extensions, so I'm very particular on what I use on my hair. As you can see, it's a big jar and I've used up most of it. What I've decided to do today is I have bought myself a Revlon blow dryer brush because my girlfriends rave about it. And by accident, I ordered this one on Amazon, which was shipped to me. It's the One Step. It looks identical. This is the Revlon brush. It has the bristles and the little settings that you turn on and off here, right here. And this one is the no-name one, the One Step brand. Identical. It doesn't have those little bristles all over, but it does have some of them there. Almost identical settings, except it's lit up. This one is a little bit lighter than this. And I'm going to try them both out and give you feedback as to which one I like best. Okay, all the knots are out. I get the bonded extensions and my girlfriend does it for me. She was a hairstylist and I'm so honored that she still continues to do my hair for me. She's a model and a makeup artist as well. Her name is Judith. I use this product, Leonor Greyl, in my roots because it really gives my hair a lot of body, and I go in like that and I do a lot of it in my roots. I'm not going to put too much on the back of my hair because I don't need the volume. There's just right in the front that I need it. I try not to put too much product in my hair, but now and again I do. And I also like using their mousse, but today I'm not going to use it. This is fantastic for when I'm going out. I'm just going to my family house for dinner. So my family's just casual. I just got this product as well with my new curling iron that I received. And I'm going to use it on my end of my hairs because I'm going to try and protect it from the heat. So I'm going to spray some on the ends of my hair, like so. First up, I section the top and I clip it with one of my jaws that I have. You can get them at any beauty supply. And then I make my hair into 4 sections in total, so 3 more. So one here. There's not much extensions here, so I'll work on this section first, but I'm going to section it like up there. And I'm going to work on this one starting first with the blow dryer. I'm going to try the no-name brand on this side. And on the other side, I'm going to do the Revlon, and I'll let you know which one I feel is better. This is the no-name brand. And I'm going to try and take it away from my face because I want more volume in my hair. I think that's as high as it goes. You have to be careful because you don't want to burn your hair. So far, so good. I'm just going to section it up and take a smaller section so I can get more volume up here. I'm just going to do a little bit and then I'll come back and show you on this side. Actually pretty cool. Okay, I have done half my hair and it's really turned out beautifully and silky. I'm very surprised. You have to be careful though, because I grabbed the tip here and I kind of went a little bit higher than normal and I burnt my fingers a little bit. Now for the Revlon side. I'm going to try and get it as close to the root as possible. Again, I've got to watch because I have extensions. This one feels a little heavier, but I think it blow dries a little smoother than the other one. Let me do a little bit and come back and show you the coming along. Again, I'm lifting because I want volume in my hair, although the back is going to be kind of heavy due to the extension. I wouldn't recommend holding it in your hair for too long because it gets pretty hot. This is the Revlon one. And back to the Revlon one, I want to kind of take it back and smoothen it. I think I'm going to put it on a cooler setting because I don't want to burn this area. It's very sensitive to your face. And sometimes I take hairspray, like a light one. I'm using the Leonor Greyl. It's like a light styling spray, and I just spray it on there. And I put this in, it holds the curl there basically. Very lightly. You see how it kind of holds the curl. Doing it again, giving it a little spritz. Turn it on really light and let it set. So you get the body in here. And then here I'm going to turn this inside, under, up and under. All in all, I haven't done anything except blow dried my hair. I'm going to style it now as to how I like it. I like taking a little zigzag part here and flipping my hair so that you kind of see the highlights. I pick up the back and I like using this brush. I will link the name of the brush in the video as well. I got this in England, but you can get it at the beauty supply here in Toronto. And just give it a nice tease in here, like that. And take a little bit of hairspray. Hold it and then let it go down so then it kind of stays. I just like a very casual look because my hair is long and I just like it. I just don't want it parting in the back and showing a cowlick. And I'm done. Just tease it up a little. I'd rate them both the same. You guys, what do you think? I think it equally did a good job. I think I'm going to stick with the Revlon because they've been around a little longer, and warranty wise, if anything goes wrong, I know they will stand behind their product. Whereas the other one, I'm not too sure if they would stand behind their product, but I have to say it was pretty damn good. When I'm getting ready, I love to relax because this is my time for me. I'm away from my kids in my bedroom and I light a candle, and this one was given to me as a hostess gift by one of my girlfriends, and it's got such a beautiful, delicate smell. I normally like this, and I normally have my coffee here or a glass of water, which I like to drink. I carry a bottle around. I normally have that while I'm doing my hair and relaxing, and then I do my makeup behind me. So this is my finished look. I'm very happy with the product, and I will link everything that I've used in this video below. Hi guys, here is the total look of my robe that I was telling you about. See the back of my hair? I'm not doing a very good job. I'm an amateur at this. And doing one more take on the robe, and I turned off my overhead light, so this might be better from my closet. I think my hair turned out pretty good. The robe again is La Perla from Avec Plaisir on Cumberland, and the slippers are also all fur, and it's also from Avec Plaisir. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.